Salty Blizzard 2015. It's Stacy's birthday, February 8th. Look at this. Look at these snow mounds. Oh my God. 2 feet more of snow. Let's wait and see if we can get to the corner and see how big these mounds are at the intersection when I have to try to get out. Holy smokes. I have one wipe and then I'm shutting it down. Holy smokes! We can't see. We're going to inch out, inch in, inch in, inch in. Although this is Marine Road, they got money down here, so maybe these people are still blowing.
These people will not move.
Wow. Buried. 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 Yeah, this is nuts. Oh, it's still going, huh?
Snowball of confusion.